While the sales and donations of artwork are important to track, often sales aren't the only source of revenue in a career. Perhaps there's income from grants or commissions or workshops. And in this video, we'll show you how to track those other sources of revenue, as well as log expenses, and then pinpoint exactly what you need to produce reports that help you manage the financial aspects of your career. To add a revenue or expense item, click on Income in the left-hand side menu. Then click on New and choose Expense or Other Revenue. You can enter information like a short description or the amount and a memo. Then select the type of expense or revenue from the category drop-down menu. If you desire, you can record who the payment was for or from by selecting a current contact. And if this expense is related to a specific artwork in your inventory, select the piece. Finally, click the blue Save button at the bottom to save your expense or revenue item. Artwork Archive supports tracking your recurring expenses. To set up a recurring expense, go to Income, click on New Item and Expense, and fill out the relevant information. You can set the frequency to weekly or monthly, even annually, and then make sure to save the recurring expense. Future occurrences will appear on the next set future date. Your recurring expenses can be found in the Recurring Expenses section. If you find that you need to delete a recurring expense going forward, select Delete. Note that this will delete any scheduled future occurrences of the recurring expense, but it won't erase what you've already tracked for this expense so far. Let's say you want to edit your recurring expense. Click Edit, change the relevant information, and click Save. It'll now be updated in your recurring expenses section. Now let's log another source of revenue. Select Income and click New and go to Other Revenue. Note that this is tracked distinctly from the sales of artwork, which is a topic not covered in this video, but very well supported within Artwork Archive. So click Other Revenue, and let's say you got awarded a professional development grant. Enter the amount and other relevant information. Click Save. It's often helpful to also include additional files such as receipts, grant awards, and more for your records. Click Add New File, note any relevant information, and click Save File. Note that you'll be able to view, download, copy, or even share this additional file directly from the revenue or expense record in the system. This information comes together in the Income section of Artwork Archive in the Revenue and Expenses area. Now, see how you can search, sort, and filter in order to pinpoint specific information in the revenue and expenses that you've tracked in the system. Income search is where you can type in a search term and pull up those records, whereas sort will rearrange your internal view of your records. Note the filtering options include date ranges, the type of expense or revenue, and you can filter by specific expense categories, specific revenue categories, and even specific contact records. Note that you can also stack multiple filters to further narrow down your information. So if I've already selected one contact, but I want to see everything I've done with them related to framing, I'll layer those two filters and it will pull up those records for me. This is useful when browsing your records in your internal archive, and it's the way you prepare to run a report. To create a report, click New Report and simply note that this income report now will display only the 3 records below that you've pinpointed with the filtering options. If I am to clear all the filters, all of my revenue and expense records will be displayed. And when I click New Report, that report will then include all 26 records that are currently below. So, creating these revenue and expense reports requires filtering for your desired information before clicking New Report. Let's do an example of filtering by a date range. Let's say it's tax time, and I'd like to filter for year to date in order to prepare for quarterly taxes. Apply that filter. When I run a report, it'll run it for those, and I could even export and send to my accountant, etc. Now, let's say I'd like to further narrow it down by only showing expenses. Layer on a filter by type, showing all expenses. When I generate this report, I'm going to give it a title here that reflects it. This title will be shown on the report and can help you stay organized. Make any customization you want and then click Generate Report. Click to view, download, copy, or share. And note that they're summarized by category as well as include detailed descriptions in the records. Now, let's say you'd like to create a different type of report. Let's say, for example, that a certain collector has requested all the records that they've paid you for over time. Filter by the contact, give it a title, and you have the option to include a cover page with your artist bio and contact information. Click Generate Report. You'll now be able to see that report that contains your cover page, as well as a record of all payments from this contact. This is just one of the many ways that tracking your revenue and expenses in Artwork Archive prioritizes those relationships between these financial transactions, the people involved in your career, and the artwork itself. We invite you to learn more in our Learning Center, and as always, you can contact our team anytime you're on the site by sending us a message. We're happy to help you learn to get the most out of Artwork Archive so you can manage and grow your career and make an impact with your art.